Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a copycat recipe from the famous Crumbl cookies. I am not a huge cookie fan, but every time I see a cookie that involves caramel or cheesecake, I know I'm gonna love it. So I definitely wanted to try this one out. So I actually found this recipe from a girl on TikTok. Her account is called Cooking with Carly, and I'll tag her down below for you guys. She has every kind of copycat recipe from Crumbl cookies that you could imagine, so definitely go check her out. But yep, today we're going to be doing the salted caramel cheesecake cookie, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to cream our butter, which we have 1.5 cups of softened butter. We're just going to stick that into our mixer and then turn it on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes all nice and fluffy. Alright, next we are going to add in our sugars. So this calls for 3/4 a cup of regular sugar. So we're going to add that into our butter mixture. And then we have 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And now we're just going to mix this on medium-low speed for another 2 minutes. Okay, now that it's nice and fluffy, I'm just going to go in and scrape down the sides of the bowl before we add some more of our ingredients. All right, and now the next thing we're going to add in is our eggs and vanilla extract. So this calls for 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, now mix this until all the ingredients are incorporated. Okay, so next we're going to work on our dry ingredients. So for this, we need 2.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. So I'm just going to blend them up in my food processor here. It said it should take about like 2 to 2.5 packages of your graham crackers. So I'm just going to break them up and put them in here. All right, and then I actually just got this food processor not too long ago. A company called Ace Cool gave it to me, and it's actually really cool how it works. So this is the whole appliance here, and then it comes with a bunch of different attachments. So it comes with like a whisk, a blender, a food processor. So we're just going to attach it. It's super simple, just clicks right in. The top has different speed settings, so we're going to put it on, let's do 10, and then you just click this button here. It's super easy. I love how easy it is to just click in and out. Like, it attaches so easily. I love it. So I actually have a discount code for this, so I'll link it down below for you guys. It's going to be 20 sweet off to get you 20% off your own Ace Cool kitchen appliance. Okay, so now we are going to add in all of our dry ingredients to our butter mixture, starting off with our flour, which we need 3 3/4 cup. Okay, so we have all of our flour added in. Now we're going to add our graham cracker crumbs that we just blended up. So 2.5 cups of this, and just slowly add it into your dough. And last but not least, we are going to add in our baking soda, baking powder, and salt. So 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I know that Crumbl cookies are pretty big, and the recipe says to measure out 1/2 cup for each cookie. So all of this dough is supposed to make 6 cookies, which is pretty crazy, but we're gonna follow the instructions. So I'm using my largest cookie scooper, and then I'm gonna measure it out into my 1/2 cup measurement. So I feel like 1 scoop is basically 1/2 cup. So now it says to roll it out. And then once you have a ball shape, place it onto your baking sheet and push down. That is 1 big cookie. And now we're just gonna repeat that step till all of our dough is gone. Okay, so I actually have quite a bit of dough left over after making the 6 cookies. So I'm probably gonna make some more, but smaller size. But first we're gonna pop these in the oven. So I have my oven set to 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so while our cookies are in the oven, we're gonna work on the cheesecake topping. So for this, we're gonna need 16 ounces of cream cheese, and we're just gonna put that into our mixer and mix it until it's light and fluffy. Now with the mixer on low speed, we're gonna add in 2 cups of powdered sugar, just a little bit at a time. Once that's all mixed together, we're gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl, and then we'll add in our final ingredient. All right, once you've scraped down the sides of your bowl, we're gonna go in and add 7 ounces of some Marshmallow Fluff. Okay, now that our cookies have cooled, I put our cream cheese mixture in a piping bag, and we're just gonna pipe it in a swirl around the cookie. right, and now time to add the salted caramel. I put that in a piping bag as well, and we're just gonna drizzle it on top and then sprinkle it with some sea salt. All right, and now time to do a taste test. Wow. Like I said, I don't usually like cookies, but put some cream cheese, salted caramel on it, and I'm a fan. This is so good. So, so good. Oh my gosh. You guys have to try it. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to try making this recipe on your own, I'll be linking the directions and ingredients down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. See you guys next time.